Today we are going to be learning about hotspot volcanoes. Throughout this video you will learn what they are, where they are found, how they are formed, and why they are significant. What are they? Hotspot volcanoes are created when a narrow stream of hot mantle rises up from deep inside the earth and melts a hole in the plate so that the magma can ooze upward. The Hawaiian Islands, for example, are a result of a hotspot volcano formations near the center of a giant Pacific plate. The places known as hotspots are volcanic regions thought to be fed by underlying mantle that is irregularly hot compared with the surrounding mantle. Where are they found? Hotspot volcanoes are found in the ocean and on continents. Hotspot volcanoes occur far from the plate boundaries. Because the hotspot is caused by mantle plumes that exist below the tectonic plates, as the plate moves, the hotspot does not, and may create a chain of volcanoes on the Earth's surface. How are they formed? A volcanic hotspot is an area in the mantle from which heat rises as a thermal plume from deep in the earth. High heat and low pressure at the base of the lithosphere facilitates melting of the rock. This melt, called magma, rises through the cracks and erupts to form volcanoes. A chain of volcanoes form as a tectonic plate moves over the plume of a hot mantle material rising from deep within the earth. A hotspot is a part of a rock that causes magma. The magma rises through the crust and forms a volcano. As the plate moves, the volcano goes with it, leaving behind the hotspot. As the volcano moves away, it goes inactive. Without a source of heat, the hotspot then creates another volcano. The oldest volcano in the chain is the furthest from the hotspot, and the youngest, the closest. Why are they significant? The map of hotspot overlaps extraordinarily well with the map of natural places that most benefit people. That's because hotspots are among some of the most important ecosystems in the world, and they are home to many vulnerable populations who are directly dependent on nature to survive. Volcanic activity at hotspots can create submarine mountains known as seamounts. Some scientists estimate that seamounts make up to 28 million square kilometers of the Earth's surface, an area larger than any other habitat. How are they different from normal volcanoes? Hotspot volcanoes are unique because they do not occur at tectonic plates where all other volcanoes occur. Instead, it occurs at hot centers known as mantle plumes. Compared to volcanoes that are vents or openings in the Earth's crust that release ash, gases, and steams, and hot liquid called lava. When the lava cools and hardens, it forms into the mountain we think of as a volcano. On land, volcanoes form when one tectonic plate moves over another. All my research and source credit is given to National Geographic.